Welcome to this YouTube channel. I welcome you all. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to raise a ticket in Open University if you have an issue. So please subscribe to this video channel if you find this video helpful for you. So I will not make this video to be long. I will not make it to be long. So let me just go straight to the point for you to understand what I'm doing. So when you go to your web browser, just type in support. So you can see I've typed it in before. So there is where you see it here, support edu now edu.ng. So anyone that you choose is the same thing. So you click on it. No, I want to think you should show me the first page. Let me go back and click on this one. So it will take me here in this first page here. In case you don't see your own here, I'll take you directly. You can also continue with that. So, but for people that you know how all these internet things work, please make sure that you are doing your thing by yourself. Don't pay anybody extra money. This website is for you. Even people you are paying money to do it for you, they are coming to this website. The same thing with this website and do all those things for you. So you come here and click on support ticketing platform. So in this message here, you can read it. It's an announcement. You can read it or you can ignore it if you want. So come here. By default, this thing will bring this thing for you here. But if you don't see your own like this, you can also click here open new ticket. My ticket after you register, after you have raised your ticket. So this tutorial you'll be learning how to do it by yourself by raising ticket if you have issue. So now you have to put your matric number. I believe that you know your matric number. You put it here. See the example here. Exactly as I do it for you. That is how you do it. So you put your number. You put your number here. Let me just do random one here. I'll click on now NU. Let me just put random. So when you are putting it, if you mark good that you have reached the limit, so you put your number. I'm just putting random number. If you mark good for you, you see you are done. So you are done here. So you select your category. Which is the exam result issued. After you click on sub category, change of exam venue. So after everything, you now type in what you want. You just type issue. This is for example. So after typing all those things, you will come here. If you have any file attached to it, you send it. You upload it. You click on this thing or drag it here. When you press it, it will take you to your phone gallery, or if you have a using system, take you there. So after everything, now send, you now press send. So this thing, because I put random number, that's why I say unknown user. So but if you just put your info correctly, then after you do it, it will generate a ticket number for you. You can also log in and also log out or log in here. So when you log in here, they will say you should put your matric number and the phone number for you to see your ticket number. Even if you submit immediately, you will see your ticket number. Copy it. Don't leave it. Copy the ticket number. This is where that number is what you use to track the ticket you raise until they resolve it for you. Please don't stop paying all those people your money. This is where they're going to do all the whole thing that is trying to do for you. Those cafes, they are not as in, I don't know what they will be stated as. Please do your things by yourself. And if you find this, if this video is help you in any way, please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you so much. I promise that this video will not take so much long. Thank you so much and God bless you.